Tuesday, Tuesday. I'm so happy it's Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. I'm so happy it's Tuesday. Turn, turn, turn around. Tuesday, Tuesday. Tuesday, today is Tuesday.
Hello class! Good morning! Welcome back to our online class today. It's me again, teacher Jenny. Alright, so what day is today, everyone? Today is Tuesday. Let's read and spell all together. Tuesday. 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 How about the month? July. Correct. July. July. How about the date today? 14th. Correct. And the year is 2020. So let's read one more time. Tuesday, July 14th, 2020. So class, every Tuesday on our first session, we are going to study, correct, Treehouse 3. So everyone, please prepare your study materials, Treehouse 3 course book, your notebook, pencil, and also your eraser. Alright class, so before we proceed to our new lesson for today, let's go back and review our previous lesson from yesterday. Alright class, so here's our review lesson for today. Review lesson, story box. Review lesson, story box. So yesterday we talked about the candy factory in the story box, right? So here's inside the story box. Get the clothes, make the candy, meet the candy king. Alright, so this is our review lesson, story box. Now let's proceed to our review words. Yesterday we studied 4 new words, right? What are those? So here's our review words. Number 1, candy. Number 2, kangaroo. Number 3, factory. Number 4, machine. So we study 4 new vocabulary words yesterday. Now let's read and spell one more time. Review words, candy. C-A-N-D-Y. Candy. Number 2, kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. How about number 3? Factory. F-A-C-T-O-R-Y. Factory. Number 4, everyone. Machine. Correct. M-A-C-H-I-N-E. Machine. Alright, everyone. So I'm gonna show you these pictures and tell me what pictures is this. Number 1. What picture is this, everyone? An animal that lives in Australia. This is a kangaroo. You see, have a pocket with the baby kangaroo. Alright, so next picture, number 2 picture is correct. This one is machine, where you can make something like candy. Very good. This is a machine. Number 3 picture is very good. Kids love it. Candy. Next, our last picture is factory. Very good. So this is factory. Well done, everyone. Clap for yourselves. Good job. You still remember our previous lesson from yesterday. Alright, so now let's move on to our new lesson for today. Our new lesson for today is Unit 9, The Candy Factory on page 108. Our new lesson for today, everyone, is old clothes. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new words. Now let's talk about our new 6 words. New words. Number 1, this one is scarf. Scarf. Number 2, this is coat. Coat. Number 3, this one is watch. Watch. Number 4, this is boots. Boots. Number 5, this one is glasses. Glasses. And number 6, this one is jeans. Jeans. Now let's read and spell these words. Number 1, scarf. S-C-A-R-F. Scarf. Number 2, coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. Number 3, watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Number 4, boots. B-O-O-T-S. Boots. Number 5, glasses. G-L-A-S-S-E-S. Glasses. And number 6 is jeans. J-E-A-N-S. Glasses. So these new words are clothes because you wear all of this into our body. For example, this one, scarf, you wear this one into around your neck to not feel cold or feel warm, okay? This one is scarf. Number 2, this one is coat. You see the, like example, like a raincoat, right? You wear that one to protect from the rain. So this one is coat. Next, number 3, watch. You wear this one to check the time. Watch. Next, number 4, this one is boots. Wear this one to protect your feet. Correct. Number 5 is glasses. You wear to protect your eyes. Glasses. Next, number 6, jeans. You wear jeans, right? For boys or for girls. This is jeans. So these are new 6 words for today's lesson. So we will continue our lesson in our second session. Everyone, see you again in our second session. Bye!